Kia rite.
The challenge is run in groups of 3.
Try and not let your feet touch those raku, man. It was pretty hard.
I underestimated it. At the same time, you're trying to go fast, but the feet can't follow, so yeah, you just gotta pace yourself in a way, but yeah, very hard.
Ko te tuota, te tangata ke ona wāwai ni, e ona wāwai.
It was excruciating pain in the legs. I've done that before, which was pretty shocking.
Anaru and Joel race to complete the final level and sprint for the end. Joel steps out of the grid and must repeat the level again. Anaru is the winner of this heat.
Tēnā koutou. Ko tērā i toa, ko koe Anaru. Ko tērā i heke, ko koe Joel.
No, tino aro tahi ne, aro tahi ki te mahi.
Kia rite.
Now the second heat.
Yeah, I was sort of just waiting for the next tour to do his exercise and then just followed along. I was confused with the whole 5 of them. I sort of threw them all in my mind and didn't know which one to grab out at what time.
If feet touch the manuka, that level must be repeated.
Hey, whack, kia ora, ingi, kaitua, start again. You don't necessarily have to be fast, you know? And I think it's going to be shown as well, you don't have to be fast.
Tiki te tīmataru. Me tere, me pō turi rāne.
You gotta have the light feet, otherwise you're gonna get sore feet and you're bound to hit one of the branches, and then you just gotta start all over again.
Oro mō te pono.
I started doing the wrong one from the beginning, so then I had to start again.
A tēnā koutou, ko te toa i heke, ko koe Porotaka. Ko te toa i puta, ko koe Raimon.
Knowing that it's a competition, everything is just fast.
Tēnā, tuko!
Now for the third and final heat.
My main concern is don't fall over and show your moon on TV, brother. Just stay, you know, focused.
Pare races to the front.
Today's challenge was hard, also on the legs and a bit of brain work.
Lifting your feet, actually staying up on your toes is real helpful, especially on attack.
Tua, the big man, is finding the footwork difficult. Who will win? Who will lose? Mai te kahui o ngā toa. Today's challenge, Whitiwhiti Porotaka, where 2 of 3 heats have finished. Tua is finding the foot coordination difficult.
If I was able to pull it together, the young men I was against just too quick.
Te hā, ke tika te hā.
After many attempts, Tua is frustrated and exhausted and given the option to yield.
Kumits? Kia ora, tēnā koe.
Well, really just focusing on just pacing myself so I don't hit the stick.
Kia rite.
Next heat. The 3 losers from the previous heats. One of these tour will definitely fight today. Tua races to the front. But Chall makes a mistake.
It looks easy, but man, once you do it yourself, it's hard.
Tua and Porotaka are neck to neck on level 3.
I was counting how many rows there was as well, and I also was holding my raku a different way that would help me.
I really thought I got a good chance here. Come on, you old coot.
tour remains slightly ahead of Chall.
Oh, no. Mai ki tarako again, nei, and bro. Anna tō kai.
It is important that all toa complete the challenge. Revealing our first contender.
Ko te toa I heke mō tēnei mahi I tēnei rā. Ka riro I a koe e tua.
There was a particular move there was pautoru. And I've always stepped off on my left foot. So in that particular challenge, you had to step off on your right, and out come my two left feet again.
Kia rite.
The final heat to decide the winner.
Tuko!
I had Whare. Man, he's young, fit. Oh, yeah, I know what Whare's about. Anaru, man, you know, hard. And as opposed to just looking after myself and getting onto the job, I was worried about what these other fellas were doing.
Whare leads, slightly ahead of Anaru.
Te atu I a whare tarapeke ana, kori ana, kei mua tona ihu. Tētai tāma, engari, te awa nei pātana wawai ki tētai o ngā pakiaka, wana haoki atu.
Anaru and Whare sprint for the end. It looks to be close. Maimona continues to finish the last level.
Hihiri au. Nā ka haere tanu.
Tēnā koutou. Ko te toa I puta I tēnei mahi. Ko koe Anaru. Nō reira, ko koe tō tātou toa. Ka ia koe te honore. Mō te tohu ko wai ka whawhai a te ahi nei. Tēnā koutou katoa, ko wātea.